In this video, you'll learn how to convert your Binance entity account to a personal account. By following these simple steps, you will successfully transition your account type, ensuring it aligns with your personal trading needs. Begin by navigating to the Binance website. Once on the home page, locate the login button, typically found in the upper right corner. Click this button and enter your credentials to access your account. If prompted, complete any additional security verification, such as two-factor authentication. After logging in, direct your attention to the bottom of the page and find the Help Center link. Click on this link, which will take you to a new support page. Here you will see various options for assistance. Look for the live chat support feature, usually represented by a chat icon or a button labeled live chat. Click on this to initiate a conversation with a support representative. Once the chat window opens, clearly state your request to convert your entity account to a personal account. The support representative may ask for specific information or details regarding your account. Be prepared to provide any necessary context to assist them in processing your request efficiently. Following your request, the support team will inform you of the next steps. You may be required to submit identity documents for verification purposes. This is part of the Know Your Customer, or KYC, process. Ensure you have the necessary documents ready, as this will help expedite the verification. Once your documents are submitted, you will need to wait for Binance to review and approve your request. The approval process duration may vary depending on their workload and your account history. Keep an eye on your email for any notifications regarding your account status. Once approved, your account type will automatically update and you will receive confirmation of the change. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching and catch you in the next tutorial.